Well, hello and welcome to another edition of Magic Words. I am your host, Jonas Cain. Today we're on the third E and the 5 E's of positive influence. First week we talked about engage. Second week we talked about empower. Today we're talking about encourage. And this magic word is so important because it's so easy to lose encouragement. It's so easy to give up. It's so easy to see that things are more difficult than we thought they were going to be. It's easy to see things are costing us more than we thought it was going to cost, and it's so much easier just to give up. The magic word encouragement reminds you that it's always going to be harder than we thought. By definition, anything worthwhile is going to take a while. So keep the encouragement. Stay encouraged. For helping others, when working with others, there are so many people who like to tear other people down. I won't give you any examples because I know you have people in your life who like to discourage you. I know we see on the news every day people being discouraged. Being a source of encouragement, rooting other people on, reminding them every day that they have value, and to remind them of the good that they are seeking and already doing in this life. Be that person. Be the encourager. Until next time, my name is Jonas Cain. Stay positive.
I hope you're enjoying this series of videos. Please be sure to leave a comment and share this video so that others can benefit from it as well. And as always, if you have something you'd like to share with me personally, you may email me at jonas@positivitymagic.com.